Okay, let's begin. The first role here is an IT security analyst role at some company called Infotech. Now, here they have different responsibilities which are mostly related to coordination and project management. As you can see, they need somebody who can actually help in the program management of their pen testing program. So this is mostly a role for project managers or people who are interested in like planning and coordinating and ensuring that remediation is done, etc. So this is that role, and this is an in-house role. You can apply for such roles. Let's look at some other role. Okay, let's pick up lead information security engineer at MasterCard. What does it say? It says here that they need to have collaboration with technical and business stakeholders on standards, policies, and trends. And then they need to influence security objectives. Okay, let's see what are some of the technical skills they're looking for. They're looking for experience with Windows and Linux administration, low level PKI management, and then Splunk and RSS log filtering, HashiCorp Vault, SIM tools. So basically, I think this is more of a security engineer role, but one level ahead because it's lead role. Here, basically, they are looking for somebody who has knowledge of different types of like information security tools such as a SIM or even PKI, right? And they need somebody who can also do good communication and maintain security services and improve security services. So they're looking for a lot of like breadth of knowledge but also some depth, and they have highlighted those areas. So this is also an in-house role which might be for MasterCard's in-house security team. Let's look at some other one. From the look of it, this is also an in-house role, cybersecurity engineer at Thales. And what do we see here? So they have a role for a cybersecurity engineer, and from the look of it they need somebody more aligned towards incident response, because I also see they have highlighted that they should be able to lead incident response activities and coordinate remediation across multiple teams. Threat actors and tactics knowledge should be there, and they have to perform digital forensics on Thales devices as part of the IR response as well as investigations. It seems like this role is more like endpoint um engineering focused, endpoint security engineering
This video
focused,
was
because
helpful. In the next video, we will dig into consulting roles just like we did for in-house roles.